Hi, my name is Belle. I am a beauty content creator. One word I have for my experience with Clinique de Paris is revolutionary. So last year, I was dealing with a lot of stressful things. I started noticing a lot of hair fall. So I started researching, and that's how my hair growth journey started. It affected it very heavily, greatly because it was a manifestation of the inward stress that I was feeling. You could fix yourself, you could dress up, and nobody can know you're going through it, right? When my hair started falling out, my confidence was really affected in a way that this is not something I can ignore. I asked a friend who got another treatment here to write about it, so I was very interested. And I knew it was the place to get hair regrowth and hair growth treatments done. I've only even gotten 3 sessions and I'm starting to see a lot of baby hair and my hair just feels stronger. Like when I brush it, it doesn't feel like it's breaking off or falling off, and I am seeing a lot less hair fall. My advice for somebody seeking hair restoration is go somewhere reputable and don't be shy to ask for help because this is normal. People experience this on a daily basis and you're not alone.